Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are encountering error code 800-90030 when trying to sign in to Microsoft Teams, it usually means your device's local cryptographic token has become corrupted and Windows cannot properly read your authentication keys. I will show you exactly how to clear out these broken broker files and restore your access right now. Let's get started. First, we need to completely sever the broken connection between your Windows machine and your organization's server. Open your Windows settings, navigate to the Accounts menu, and select Access Work or School. Locate your specific Microsoft 365 account in the list, click on it, and select Disconnect. Keep in mind that doing this might temporarily sign you out of other Office applications like Word or Excel, so make sure any active work is saved before you confirm the prompt. Next, you must force Windows to recreate the core authentication files by renaming the corrupted Azure Active Directory Broker folder. Press your Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog. Type exactly %local appdata %packages and press Enter to open your hidden AppData directory. Scroll down until you find the folder named Microsoft.AAD Broker Plugin _CW51H2TXYEW. Right-click it and rename it by adding .old to the end of the folder name. This is a highly effective method for fixing cryptographic errors, but if Windows warns you that the file is currently in use, you will need to open your Task Manager and end the Microsoft Account Broker background process before trying again. Finally, with the corrupted token files safely bypassed, you are ready to establish a fresh, uncorrupted connection to your organization. Restart your computer to ensure all background cryptographic services are fully refreshed and the old cache is completely flushed out. Once you are back on your desktop, open the Microsoft Teams application and enter your standard login credentials to let your system securely generate and register a brand new authentication key. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.